This video was made in under 2 hours.
In 1950, British mathematician Alan Turing asked a question that would change everything. Can machines think? In 1956, a small group of scientists gathered at Dartmouth College and coined a new term.
No editing, no designer, no experience. I just built that with one tool and one conversation. While most people spend 10 hours making one video, this was built automatically with AI. And here is the part nobody is talking about yet. There is a tool right now that can create entire YouTube videos for you. Animations, voiceover, editing, everything. And if you are still doing it manually, you are already falling behind. Let me explain it in the simplest way possible, like a step-by-step guide. Step 1, download and set up Claude Code. Now, before we start anything, I need you to do 2 quick installs. I know that sounds technical. It is not. I am going to walk you through every single click. And by the end of this step, Claude will be ready to build your first video. Let us go. The first thing we need is Claude Desktop. This is the AI brain behind everything you are about to build. So open your browser and go to claude.ai/download. You will see a download button. Click it. A file will land in your downloads folder. Double-click that file. Keep clicking next. Then install, then finish. Now, open Claude Desktop and log in with your account and leave it open. Quick thing before we move on. Claude Desktop is free, but the tool that actually builds your video, Claude Code, needs the Pro plan for $20 a month. And what you're about to build with it, worth more than that. Okay, let us keep going. Next, we need something called Node.js. Don't let the name scare you. You are never going to open it or touch it. It just needs to exist on your computer so Claude Code can run. Think of it as the engine under the hood. Go to Node.js.org. You will see a big green button. It says Get Node.js. Click it. A file downloads. Open it. Next, 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 until install and finish. Node.js, now on your computer, and you never have to think about it again. All right, now is where things start to get interesting. It is time for the main tool, Claude Code. This is what does the actual work, not you, Claude. You just talk, and Claude builds. That feeling right there, that is real. Remember it. You will see the Claude Code interface load up with a chat box at the bottom. That chat box is your new editing suite. Before you hit submit on anything, look at the permission settings below the chat box. You will see options like ask permission, accept edits, and plan mode. Switch it to accept edits. This lets Claude work without stopping to ask you every step. Then click select folder and create a new project folder to attach to the Claude Code chat. This folder on your desktop, this is where your finished video will be saved when you hit render. Everything lives here. Setup is done, all 2 tools installed, Claude Desktop and Node.js. Now, the real thing begins, because in the next step, we give Claude its video superpower. Once you see what it can do, you are not going to believe it only took this long to get here. Step 2, install the Remotion skill. Here is where we give Claude its video superpower. Most people completely miss this part. Stay with me, because what you are about to see next changes everything. In the Claude Code chat, ask Claude to install the Remotion skills. So type this command in chat and hit enter. You will see Claude Code downloading and installing it automatically. It takes about 30 seconds. When Claude Code finishes installing the Remotion skill, the skill is loaded. This is where most people get confused. They think skill means something technical. It doesn't. A skill is just a set of instructions Claude remembers, like giving it a job description. Specifically, Remotion's own team wrote these instructions. So Claude now knows exactly how to build videos the right way. Now, it already knows where your project is. It already knows where the Remotion skill is. You do not have to do anything else to connect them. Now, pay attention, because what you are about to see next is the part that completely changes everything. Until now, we have just been setting things up. Nothing crazy yet. But this next step is where Claude stops being a tool and starts doing the work for you. Once you see this in action, you will understand why most people are still stuck. Step 3, generate your first motion graphic. Now, this is where everything changes. You are going to describe your video in plain language, and Claude is going to build it. For this example, we're making a video about the history of AI. This is a perfect niche with high demand and retention. Quick tip before you hit submit. Start simple. Claude builds better when you focus on one clear concept first Then add details in follow-up prompts. If the first render looks off, just tell Claude what to fix. That is the workflow. Now go into Claude Code Chat and type this prompt. That describes the assets of your video. Then hit enter and just watch. Claude writes the code, builds the project, and creates the animation all in one shot. When Claude finishes, tell it this: open Remotion Studio so I can preview the video. A browser tab opens automatically at localhost 3000. Press space to play, and your video is right there, playing in real time. You just created a professional animated video without touching a single design tool. No Premiere, no After Effects, just one prompt and Claude code that knows how to build. Now here is the part nobody talks about, and this is what separates good creators from great ones. You do not stop at the first render. You look at the preview and you give Claude one correction at a time. Tell it, the text on scene 2 appears too early, delay it by half a second. Claude fixes just that scene. Keep the conversation going in the same session. Each prompt builds on the last. That iterative loop is where the magic actually lives. But here is the catch. This video would fail on YouTube because it has no voice, no story, no connection. That is exactly what we are fixing in the next step. Step 4, add a sensed AI voiceover. Right now, your video looks good, but it feels empty. And empty videos don't keep attention. So let us fix that. Go back to Claude Code Chat. Paste your script and type this prompt. Now, put your script below and hit submit. Next, Claude Code will ask you to share your 11 Labs API key. So let me show you exactly how to get it, because this is the one step that trips people up. Open a new browser tab, go to 11labs.io, and create a free account if you do not have one already. The free plan gives you enough credits to test this right now. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom left corner. Click on your developers. You will see a section called API Key. There, you will see Create Key. Click it. A long string of letters and numbers will appear. That is your key. Click the copy button next to it, share it to the Claude Code Chat, and just watch. In a few moments, Claude Code will preview your video again, but this time with a voiceover.
Technology and history. Artificial intelligence had finally entered everyday life. Today,
Claude connects, generates the voice, and synchronizes everything automatically. No timeline, no keyframes, no audio editing. Just press play and you'll see it. Every word perfectly aligned with every visual. Let that sink in. What normally takes an editor over an hour, it just happened in seconds. Your video doesn't feel empty anymore. It feels real. Now let us move to the next part, and this is where your video goes from good to something people actually finish watching. Step 5, enhance your video. Right now, your first video has animation and voice, but it still looks AI generated and low quality. So back in Claude Code, type this enhance prompt. That improve and enhance the quality of your video. Now hit enter and let Claude Code do the work like a pro editor. No manual importing, no layer sorting, and no asset management. When it finishes, play it back and see the difference. Now it feels like something you would actually watch until the end. That is it. But here's the thing. Right now, this video looks good and it feels professional, but it is still not yours. There is no identity, no recognition. That is the difference between a video and a brand. So in the next step, we fix that. Step 6, branding. Now, it is time for branding. This is where your video becomes yours. Right now, it works, but it doesn't stand out yet. So go back to Claude Code Chat and paste this prompt. That describes your brand assets. Now hit submit and watch. Claude updates everything automatically. Colors, fonts, logo, all done in one shot. No manual design, no adjustments, no back and forth. Now go and click render, then click render video. Claude runs the render command automatically. Your video exports, saves directly to the out folder inside your project. That is it. You just built a cinematic branded video from zero, without a designer, without an editor, without spending $1. Now pause for a second, because this is where most people stop. They build one video and they think they're done, but this is not about one video. This is about a system. And once you understand this next step, everything changes. Step 7, scaling. Here is where this gets exciting. Your first video will take a couple of hours. Your second will take half that. By your 5th video, you have an automated workflow and a systems scale. This is where most creators stop thinking small and start thinking like a business owner. Because once the workflow is dialed in, you are not limited to one channel. You can run a fitness history channel, a science facts channel, a psychology in 60 seconds channel, each one using the exact same Claude Code and Remotion system. Different niche, different scripts, and same production pipeline. And here is what that actually looks like in practice. I have created a new session, changed the topic to History of Space Exploration, updated the color accent to blue, and had a second complete video rendered in under 40 minutes. Same system, different niche, one person, and multiple channels, all running on AI. This is what YouTube automation actually looks like when it has built the right way. Not shortcuts, but a real scalable system. However, here is the part I want you to really hear. 6 months from now, this workflow is going to be everywhere. The creators who start it now, they will have the views, the subscribers, and the income. The ones who waited, they will be watching those creators and wishing they would start it sooner. You already know which one you want to be. If you got value from this video, hit subscribe right now. Because this channel, AIPreneur, exists for one reason: to help people like you learn how to earn with AI. Every week, real tutorials, real tools, real income strategies. Not theory, not hype, just actual step-by-step systems you can use today. And if you're ready to take this further, to build a complete faceless channel from niche selection to monetization, click the video on screen right now. That is where we go deeper. Your first video starts now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.